I want to leave Beenie Man alone, you know. Trinidadians, don't get offended about this. I just need to make a point to my Jamaican brothers and sisters. I want to leave Beenie Man alone, you know. I really want to leave Beenie Man alone. I notice only just a come down pan Beenie Man. Leave Beenie Man alone, yeah? Beenie Man did not degrade women. He didn't start no turf wars. He never kill nobody. He never end up in a jail to kill people on camera. Yeah? I want to leave Beenie Man alone. If the man send the yam doubles, leave him alone. No? Leave him. He is my king of dancehall. He's my king of dancehall if he's not yours. Because guess what? No man where bleach out them face, where hang out with beer man, where kill people and I go on with beer madness in a Portmore and a cause beer chaos could never be my king. You hear me I tell you? Could never. Someone understand una come down upon a real hardworking artist for some jailbird. For some man whenever like him own a self. For some man where bleach out them skin. I only batty man bleach out them skin, you know. No man not supposed to look on themselves so much that they get so obsessed with themselves to find fault with themselves. That's not what a man does. That's what women do. So I want to leave Beenie Man alone. Because it seems like, oh no, love everything will turn upside down. Oh no, love everything will wrong. Oh no, love everything will popular instead of what is right. He is my king of dancehall. He never start no turf war. When I come down from Beenie Man for a man will decide to, instead of him stay in his own country and spending money in his own country, he move gone another man country because go reach up another man country. That is who una rally behind. That is who una rally behind. Una rally behind a man where never built a school yet. Where almost everything in our music are degrade women. This is what you guys want to put on a pedestal and act as if he's some kind of genius. Busy Signal is a better artist than freaking Vibes Cartel. And there's so many other better, more upstanding, more upright artists than that Roach.
That's all. Welcome the king of the dancehall. One bed.